haidhuru, ni sawa. It's okay. We don't have anything to say. Tuna cha kunena. What can we say now? It has happened. Na ikimwagika izoleki. Ikimwagika izoleki. Wahenga walivyosema. Yeah, nothing to say because now it has happened. It's already happened. Najua kuna watu wako na furaha tele tele. Nothing we can do about that. Yes. I think we are wasting time and resources. Yes, I understand him before. Kelele mingi. Kelele mingi. Again, what can you tell me? There's nothing you can tell me. Manchester United, we win when we want. We draw when we want and we lose when we want. Nonsense. There's nothing you can tell me about Manchester. Mtoto mdogo. Manchester will always be Manchester. Manchester United forever. That is tactically, information, technologically abdomo. No. So you people, you should not waste time and resources hapo ukiniambia ati Manchester mmepigwa na Brighton. Takusambaratisha wewe. Takusambaratisha mtoto mdogo. Aliahirisha your days of living in this world when you started living that Manchester has lost against Brighton. Hata hiyo ni FA Cup by the way. We are targeting the EPL my friend. Na next season tuingie Champions League. So vitu ndogo ndogo hazitustua. Nonsense. Wewe ukijaribu kuniambia Manchester imerus against Brighton. Taona vibaya mtoto mdogo. Wewe. Stage of time and resources nonsense. Anyway, si kuzuri. We, ni sawa. We, si kuzuri. It's okay. It has happened.